everyone, it's me again, teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. We are finally down to Unit 2, Lesson 2. And today we're going to focus on have and have not. But what about haven't and I've? Well, if you don't know, teacher Haya will help you. Let's start with haven't. Haven't. Haven't is a contraction of have not. So, have not, haven't. Saying, I have not got a robot. You can say, I haven't got a robot. About I've got a kite. I have got a kite. Well, I've is a contraction of I have. So instead of saying I have got a kite, you can say I've got a kite. The same. So easy, right? One more time. Haven't. Have not. I have. Let's start making sentences using haven't and I've. Haven't, I've. Boat. I've got a boat. I haven't got a robot. I've got a boat. I haven't got a robot. Kite. I've got a kite. I haven't got a plane. How about the next one? Skipping rope. I've got a skipping rope. I haven't got a board game. Robot. I've got a robot. I haven't got a plane. I've got a robot. I haven't got a plane. Ball. I've got a ball. I haven't got a boat. I've got a ball. I haven't got a boat. Board game. I've got a board game. I haven't got a kite. I've got a board game. I haven't got a kite. Well, that ends our video for today. Once again, this is teacher Haya from Hải Âu Star. See you again next time. Goodbye.